Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a very simple mani using two colors from Lift Your Spirt Dips. The first color here, it's a beautiful gold orange yellow, and it is called Forbidden Treasures, and it has very pretty fine shimmer glitter in here, and it's super pretty, and when the sunlight hits this color as well, it is stunning. And then the next color here is my favorite. It is called Arabian Princess, and it is a beautiful pink fun shard glitter, and it is pink, and then it has like red flakes in there and then gold. It is so unique and so pretty. The swatch does not do it justice, and then these colors paired together are perfect because that glitter also has that pink, and with the yellow in there, it really makes Forbidden Treasure pop. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing the gel method, and I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in just a few moments. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty is this mani? I think these two colors are beautiful. The whole Arabian Night collection is stunning. Definitely head over to Lift Your Spirt Dips to check out that collection because all the colors in that collection are beautiful. Now this cuticle oil here is not only beautiful, it smells amazing too, and I cannot get over the packaging and the look of this cuticle oil. I think it's super pretty with the flowers in there, and then there's some glitter. It's just very hypnotizing, and I can look at this bottle all day. So this cuticle oil, I believe, came in one of the Mani of the Month boxes. It's not a subscription Mani box. You could purchase the Mani box each month, and it's curated to help you create a Mani each month, and it's pretty cool. I'll get into that box hopefully someday in a later video, but I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.